Hi, today is Monday and we're going to be looking at how to multiply. I want you to think about what is multiplication. What does it mean? How can we solve multiplication problems? And what words do we associate with multiplication? You might want to pause the video while you have a think or jot down your ideas. So, other words for multiplication include lots of, times, multiply and groups of. Times means lots of, so 4 times 5 means 4 lots of 5. We can use the following methods to help us calculate the answer. Repeated addition, so 4 times 5, you'd work it out by going 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, which is 20, or you can draw an array. You draw 4 rows with 5 in each row. Right, another important thing to remember about multiplication is that it can be done in any order. 2 times 6 equals 12 and 6 times 2 equals 12. Hopefully you can see in the arrays that I've drawn that they are both the same. I've just turned them over. So here are some important facts to remember when learning your times tables. When you do your 2 times tables, remember they end in even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Your 5 times tables end in 5 or 0. Your 10 times tables end in 0. Now your 3 times tables, if you look at the digits in the answers, they will come to 3, 6 or 9. For example, 7 times 3 is 21. If you add the digits in the answer together, the 2 and the 1, they make 3. If you look at 9 times 3, this comes to 27. If you add the 2 and the 7, that makes 9. The 4 times table. Now, you can use doubling here if you are confident with your 2 times table. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 4 would equal 16 because double 8 is 16. Doubling is a really useful strategy. For example, if you know 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 6 is going to be double 21. We double the 20, we get 40. If we double the 1, we get 2. So 7 times 6 is 42. So, question 1. What problem does this array represent? 2 times 6, 3 times 6, 3 times 4, or 4 add 3? Which array represents 4 times 5? Row 1, row 2, row 3, or row 4? What does 3 times 7 represent in words? 7 plus 3, 7 times 3, 3 groups of 7, 3 times 7. What problem does this array represent? 1 times 0, 1 add 0, 1 times 1, 1 add 1. What problem does this array represent? 4 times 4, 3 times 3, 2 times 4, or 5 times 3? So, you can either do sheet 1, which has a mixture of 2s, 5s and 10 times tables, sheet 2, which is a mix of 2s, 5s, 10s, 3s and 4 times tables, or you can have a go at sheet 3, which is about reasoning and application. So for example, you might see 3 add 3 add 3, add 10 add 10. Write this as a multiplication calculation. So you can see there are 3 lots of 3, so you'd write 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 2 lots of 10, so 2 times 10 equals 20, and then write the answer 29. Good luck!